Welcome back, dear viewers. In a world where digital trends seem harmless, there's a hidden danger that could put your personal information at risk without you even realizing it. Stick with us till the end of this video as we unravel how trendy Ghibli-inspired images, while fun and innocent, might be exposing you to serious privacy and data threats, and why you, the everyday person, could be caught in the crossfire. Section 1: The Rise of Innocent Fun, Ghibli Trends and Personal Data Leaks. Ghibli-inspired images have taken social media by storm. Their dreamy, nostalgic art style captures our hearts, making it irresistible to engage, share, and even download them. But here's what you might not realize. The apps and filters generating these images could be tracking your data, your location, browsing history, and even the devices you use. Some of these platforms collect data without your clear consent, selling it to advertisers, or worse, exposing it to cyber threats. Section 2: Intellectual Property. A creative right under threat. Beyond privacy concerns, let's talk about intellectual property. Studio Ghibli's stunning animation style is copyrighted. Yet, countless unofficial Ghibli-style apps and AI filters use it without proper authorization. When companies profit from this trend without giving credit or compensation to the original creators, it raises serious ethical concerns. Would you want your artwork used without permission? Then why should we support businesses that exploit beloved artists? Well, if the intellectual property aspect doesn't concern you, then consider this: your privacy is at risk. Maybe this will make you stop and think. Section 3: Privacy at Risk. Data collection behind the scenes. Many of these trending images are generated through apps that secretly track your digital footprint. You may think you're just sharing a fun picture, but these interactions create a digital trail, one that companies can use to profile and target you with ads, or worse. So, what's worse? 1. Your data could be sold to third parties. Many platforms collect more than just your basic engagement. They track your location, device details, and browsing behavior. This data can then be sold to third-party companies, some of which may use it for questionable purposes, like influencing your decisions without you even realizing it. To increased risk of identity theft. Some of these trendy apps and websites ask for permissions that go beyond what's necessary: access to your contacts, camera, or even biometric data. If this information falls into the wrong hands, it can be used for identity theft, hacking, or phishing scams. 3. Manipulation and behavioral targeting. Ever notice how after engaging with the trend, you start seeing oddly specific ads or content? Companies can use your digital footprint to manipulate your choices, influencing everything from what you buy to the opinions you form online. 4. Deepfake and AI misuse. With AI advancements, even a simple image you share could be altered, replicated, or even used to create fake personas, sometimes in ways you wouldn't approve of. Imagine your likeness being used in fabricated news, misleading advertisements, or worse, in illegal activities. So, the next time you interact with a seemingly harmless trend, ask yourself, is it worth risking your privacy for a moment of fun? Section 4: The Moral Dilemma. Should companies profit from your data? Here's the real question: is it ethical for companies to profit from your personal data without your knowledge? From tracking your online habits to selling your information, these digital trends highlight a much bigger issue: our lack of control over personal data. Section 5: How to protect yourself, stay safe online. So, how can you enjoy these trends without putting yourself at risk? Read app permissions before using them. Avoid sharing personal data with unverified apps. Use privacy-focused browser settings. Think before engaging with viral trends. Small actions can protect your data and ensure you're not unknowingly feeding a system that profits off your information. Conclusion: navigating the fine line between fun and risk. Ghibli-inspired images are a beautiful tribute to a beloved art style, but let's not ignore the hidden risks. What do you think about companies tracking our data through fun trends? Share your thoughts in the comments below. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with others who might be interested in the future of IPR. Stay safe, stay smart, and see you in the next video.